Okay, so hi everyone. I believe we are live, and today's live discussion is going to be a bit different. So, it is going to be a product launch, it is going to be a product demo for all of us, and who has been built by one of our community members, so Abhijit, and he will be here in some time, and he is going to talk about his product, his vision, why he is building. But yeah, let me give you a brief idea about this particular product. So basically, he's trying to build a solution so where AI can help you out with respect to your test preparation. So maybe like you are trying to prepare for a JE, maybe a 10th, maybe a 12th, or whatsoever class for which you are trying to do a preparation. So obviously, this product is going to help you out in many ways. Again, so instead of talking about this product, so I think I should invite Abhijit, who has built this particular product and who is going to launch this one, who is going to make it available to all of us so that we all can try this out. We all can go and we can try to use it. So I'm welcoming Abhijit here. So hi Abhijit, hope I'm
Hi,
audible in this.
Sudhanshu.
Hi.
Yes, definitely. I think I am also audible, right?
Yes, yeah, you are audible. Yeah. So, Abhijit, if you can talk a little bit about yourself, about your background, and then maybe about a vision behind building this product before going for a demo. So, I think that will help us out in terms of understanding you, your perspective, your idea. So, yeah, over to you.
Yep. Thank you, Sudhanshu, for this opportunity. And my name is Abhijit. So I stay in Bangalore. It's pretty long time. So around 25 years back, I came for my doing my graduation, then masters, and then started working. I worked with several MNCs, okay, and in data science and this programming, I have experience at around close to 10 to 12 years, and overall 18 to 19 years experience I have. And now coming back to this product, right? So as a parents, like while we started this thing teaching to our kid, right? We found that there are things is schools will give the education, schools will teach, but problem is while they're preparing for the exams, while they're preparing for any competitive exams, right? So varieties of questions, so those things it's hardly available internet. So how I used to do, I used to scan his book, then I used to upload into ChatGPT and ask for the several questions, but it was so much time consuming. Always I used to be busy in office work, and in meantime I was not able to deliver for my kids. Even my wife, she also working, so for her also it's very difficult. So from there my all this idea came up, and then I started looking into what is the different kind of option. And thanks to the Yuran and thanks to the Sudhanshu for giving us the wonderful experience and his teaching style. And I'm pretty old student from, I think I knew when I joined, and while he started in new neuron Gen AI batch, I think we already discussed, right? And then Sudhanshu said, like, okay, let's build something big. So from there, my this idea came up. So yes, so using AI, yes, I have done that. So I in the front end, I have used the React JS, and back in Python. And yes, so that is the basically tech stack, and DB was the Neon DB. And yes, and then with the generative AI, I was able to complete it, I think 3 to 4 weeks. So the first product, and I'm coming up with a couple of them, and so that is my vision. And now, so initially I was trying to make this product only for my kid. Then while I was speaking with my father-in-law, he is retired DSP, so he is also very keen in this technology part, even though he's 76 years old man. Okay, so he used LinkedIn, he used WhatsApp, he used email, scanning, like whatever things he has to scan, he has to send it to me. It's not a problem. He has own setup in his house. Okay, so that kind of techie person he is. So he said, "See, my vision is I also want to give the education to student with a less price, because now these days education is very costly. If you go to any institution, I doesn't want to take the name, but if you go to any institution for the JE preparation, all those, they used to charge close to lakhs, which is huge for. So with that only, then I came up with the idea I have shared with him. Then he said, okay, I'll sponsor you for your whatever AI need this thing, so subscription I'll pay. So you build the app for me and then I'll launch it. I said, okay, fine.
Hmm.
So I'll get exposure, I'll get experience, and yes, and simultaneously he also will be able to showcase whatever his motto and whatever he is aiming for. So that's the now from there have started, and yes, we have very long term plan.
So technically, you are trying to convert your own personal problem into an opportunity for yourself as well as many people out there, I believe.
Yes, right,
Okay.
definitely. So
Okay.
that's the
So,
plan.
can we get into a demo of your product? What kind of problem you are solving? Can we have a glimpse of it a little bit, and then in between? So obviously, I will be having a lot of questions. So maybe I can ask, and anyone who is watching this entire session. So I have already attached a link inside the description, so you can go through that, and maybe you can ask a question, guys. Everyone is welcome. Everyone is invited to ask a question. So yeah.
Yeah, I just shared my screen. Hope it's invisible.
Yeah, it's visible. Yes.
Okay, so signups. So this is the app name. Okay, and it's by Om app. So that is the main portfolio name. Okay, so from there it started. So now we are in the first page. So here you'll be able to see after login. Okay, so this is the admin login. So might be that's the reason you are able to see the premium and it's longer days. Okay, and here if you see the how many balances you have, so all these things will work on the token basis, because end of the day and the back end is the LLM is working. Okay, so based on your subscription recharge you will get certain amount of token, and from there it will show you everything. So now the main fun part, if I go down, whatever the features I have, right? So if I go down, so these are the very quick action. Okay, so here is the AI note. So it will generate the notes based on your class. I'll go deep down. Just I'll give the quick introduction with all these features, and then I'll go down and I'll be giving the demo for at least one end to end. Then people will be able to understand how this works. Okay, so this is the AI note. So based on your board and class, and based on it, what it will show you is the AI will generate number of questions and whatever combination is going to give. Here is the task flow. So
Yeah,
this is the
Abhijit, I think there is
whatever.
some issue with the internet from your side, I believe. Yeah, there is some disturbance.
Okay, is it? Shall I switch the internet? It is. Is it coming correctly, or you
No,
want
now
me
it's
to
fine.
switch?
Yeah, now it looks fine. Yeah, it's a bit slow, but
No.
yeah, now it looks fine.
Okay. Okay, then this is the ask doubt. So it's nothing but it's a simple kind of chatbot where you can write your doubt and definitely AI is give answer. Here is the photo solve. So photo solve is nothing but you have handwritten note. So you will upload it, and definitely based on that, whatever questions is there, it is going to solve. Next is audio learn. So here you'll choose the topic, and you will be able to listen the topic. So that is the very easiest way to. You might be sometimes if students is or kids are getting bored, so they can listen also. Here you have model question paper. So I think as of now, 10 years model question paper, which is generated by LLM based on all the previous year, whatever have seen based on that LLM has learned, and it's created the model question paper for 10 years. This is the exam schedule date, which is upcoming exam or any results coming out. This is your quick revision. So is that exam near to exam time, you can do the quick revision based on your topic. And this is your study planner. Okay, and here have top we have kept few recommendation system based on your study, based on the kind of exercise you are doing. So it will give you all the different kind of recommendation system. Now coming back here, so I'll take any board. Okay, ICC. Okay, let's see. Let's go to ICSC, and if you go to 7th standard, 10th standard, and might be mathematics. Okay, compound interest. Now, so we came inside the chapter, and now we came into the topic. So once you click on the topic, so here is the note section, right? So here is the different kind of label. We have easy, easiest, easy, medium, hard, and hardest. So if you choose any option, and if you click on that, so here is the LLM will start generating the topic. So it will take some time. So once it will generate, then you can go through that. Not only go through, you can listen that particular topic, and whatever you are going to do on this particular day, right? Even you can download that one as a PDF as well. So you can keep the record, you can take the printout. Might be you no need to come back for the go through that again. You no need to open your laptop or computer, right? So this is the generated notes by AI. So all if you go through that, so it will show you all the proper format, all those things.
It looks
So
very clean and like a pretty much standard to me. So yeah, it looks great. It looks amazing. I have one question over there. So when you're talking about this audio feature, right? So does it support a multi-language or is it like going to support just English for now?
as of now, just English. I
Hmm.
not yet implemented the multi-language, but
Hmm.
yes, so that is based on the feedback, whatever all the students will give. Yes, I'll do. Like earlier, also front was little different. So my son, he was the main QA for this. So he given me this kind of. He said, "Papa, if you make it in this way, it will looks good." I said, "Okay, fine." Then based on that, I given the input, and yeah, Claude have done that. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
so
amazing.
then if you go here, here is the practice question. So here you have all, and this practice question based on this topic. Okay, so particularly this topic. So you have lot of options. So if you need medium range question, long range question, very long range question, or suppose hardest if I choose. So if I click on that, so every time it will generate the five questions at a time. So once it will generate, then you will go through that. And here you have the main features, which is not available anywhere. I'll show you. Let it get generated. Yes. So it's generated. Okay. Okay. So I think I choose the wrong one. MCQ. Oh, okay. Let me open it. So, okay. So here is the MCQ. Suppose if I click here, so it will give you the correct answer. Something if it is wrong, even that will give you the wrong answer, and it will give you the solution as well. Okay. So what could be the solution? So then you will be able to understand. Let's see. Okay, it's generating. Yes, it's generated, right? Okay. So now if you see here the long answer, so it's generated. So I read this answer, I said might be 200. Evaluate my answer. So now AI will be evaluating. Okay, so might be it's correct. And I don't know. Let me see. Okay, so here it's given the answer, so which is not correct. So here teacher's feedback, and here is the AI explanation. So explanation is how you are reaching into this number. So entire explanation have given. Okay, and here is the this model answer also it's given. And not only that, these features, this is you will not get anywhere. It will give you the which topic, particular topic you should revise for to resolve these questions, right? So if you click on this, so it will take you that exact same place, and from there you can generate your all the queries whatever wants to go through, right? So those things similar way it has given the two options, right? So I'll click on the second one. I'll click on this, so it will generate. So now if you see, it's both are generating the concept. So you can go through that, revise that, and then you can come back here, and then again you can give your answer. Like here have some, yeah, edit and reevaluate your option, right? If you click on edit, you can reevaluate also. So let's see. Yeah, so this is have generated, this topic also is generated, so you have all the things for that particular question. So here not only that, even you can upload PDF or handwritten anything whatever you have. You can do the voice output. Okay, so yeah, so if you here, if you see it's typing. Okay, so in this way also you can do. And yeah, so the same way, and here I have similar way, all the case study, all those things, different options you have.
That's literally amazing, and I'm like, even like, I started believing that, I believe this is going to help a lot of students, a lot of parents, a lot of students, in terms of preparation. It is going to reduce dependency with teachers, I believe. I mean, like, in their own sweet time, instead of, wasting time and waiting for someone to resolve their doubts and practice the questions. Yeah, the feature that you have built, right? So where, if like a student is typing a wrong answer, or a student is basically giving or selecting a wrong answer, they can go and they can generate a proper note for that one, right? Yeah, that's literally like, amazing. I believe that is something which is required in everyone's, like a life, if they are doing some sort of a preparation for their exam, maybe for their board exams. Or so I have, so are you trying to focus just on the CBSE ICSE board, or are you going even beyond that for a government job, exam preparation, or like, UPSC or ITJE or something like that? So what is your
Okay,
plan in that part?
so yes, so plan is, then this is the our founder app, yeah, founder side. So Mr. Samarendra Dev, who is my father-in-law, he is retired DSP. So he only came up with the idea, means what we can help to help future for the all the students, right? So just I'll take you through that. If I go down, so this is live now, and this upcoming product, whatever we have. So if you see, we have Grammarly, which will be based on English grammar, then history, geography. Okay, and this is coming the class IQ for mostly for the teacher perspective. So teachers also can generate the assignment questions, answer, and give it to student. Okay, now the whatever you have asked for all the competitive exam, right? This is the UPSC AI, Bank IQ, Rail IQ. So these are the another section which we have planned to work.
Okay. Okay. So almost you are covering everything, like, in terms of a test prep and then K12, I believe.
Yes, 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 right.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay.
so now coming back here, yeah. So you have seen, right, this picture. So here have the quick revision, right? So you can click on this. So again, this will the quick revision for this particular chapter. So it's generating. So yeah, it's saying the 10 key points. Then it's saying the main formulas, whatever you have, and here you have some mini quiz. Okay, so quickly see next, next. So at least you will get the evaluation how what's is happening. See, it's wrong answer. So in this way it will generate. We'll go back again. Here is the ask doubt. So whatever questions you have, so you can ask. You can just, so this is the based on this topic. It's pre-selected, so you can send it, and it will generate. But here also, here you can type it as well. So whatever doubt is. So as of now, this one, see, it's created, right? So based on these all those things, and again you have some other 4 5 things also. This is also based on the AI recommendation it's showing. But might be I want to ask something different, or might be I have some PDF which I want to handwritten, right? So this is some different subject, but again this will give the answer. It's but it's related to the obviously students thing. Yeah, so it like whatever it's able to see all those things it's given. So based on this, whatever we want to ask, yes, definitely we can ask all this part. Yeah, so and here is the PDF. Okay, so I think I have to generate a couple of questions, then only it will give. So now go back, go back. Okay, so once we have complete the full chapter, right? So again, we can click on here. So it will start generating the entire chapter thing. So as of now, it will not generate the full things because you can see there are few others still pending. Once you have complete, so you'll get entire full chapter at one shot. So this is the another features. And let me go back. Okay. Now here is the interactive things. So whatever the daily activity you are doing, all those things, here you will be able to see your learning things, and today whatever you have done, last 3 days whatever you have completed. So for the parents also it will be very easy for to look after that. And apart
Yeah,
from that,
maybe you can try to send a report card to a parent's WhatsApp number. I think that will be a very good feature. That will keep checks on students so that they can come to your platform and they are going to utilize it on a regular basis. Right. So
yes,
and
that correct. That is also correct. Good suggestion. So as of now, Sudhanshu, what I was sending like this part. Okay, so whatever he has done today, right? So only this part was going to the parents' email ID, and if somebody have not attended the this thing for the particular day, then it's sending the email that we have missed you. Okay, so something
Hmm.
like that. But yes, the detailed report whatever you are suggesting, so definitely I'll look into that, and yeah,
Yeah,
we can able
because
to.
I believe that is going to like increase engagement on your platform, and seriously student will be able to attempt each and everything. They will be able to take a help. I believe chapter by chapter they will be able to complete each and everything. So I'm like they will be able to explore and they will be able to utilize your platform with the full of their like capacity. Because yes, I'm like kids are kids, right? So unless and until you are not like keeping a check on them, I believe they will not again sit, because studying something is the toughest part, I believe, in this very distracted world. So yeah.
Agree. Some report I am generating here, I'll show you, but this is I only can see. So this is my admin part. So let me see. There have some, yes. So suppose if I choose my email ID, let how many nodes, all those things. So here from here it's export Excel. So backend it's generating and it's saving into DB. So only I have to integrate, like once they complete the day, so it will send the report. So
Hmm.
that feature can be done. It's not a big thing. And here it's showing the progress. So like how much, see. I think this also I can send it. So yeah, so in backend it's saving, see, so you will be able to see whatever study have done, overall progress, all those things. But on the daily basis break up something also we can do, or might be in individual basis some dashboard they can see how the kids is doing. So that also can be done. And yeah, so here we have this model question paper, all those things, right? So you can able to see all those previous years question paper. But yeah, this is based on the LLM, whatever the previous question paper was there, based on that, LLM has regenerated. But might be it will not exactly match, but close to match it will be. And apart from that, some good another nice features. Just I want to show it to you. Uh, where is that? So this is the one. Yes, this is the main part. For the taking mock test. So if I go here, you can give your test name, you can select the board, you can select subject, you can select class. So here we have all these different kind of test. One is chapter test. So this will be one single chapter, so whatever you will select, so based on that it's going to select it. So suppose as an example, CBSC physics and class 6, right? Then here you have all this chapter. there. So under that, whatever chapter is there, if you choose that. Now, if you go here, what difficulty level you want? Mixed, easy, hard. How many questions you need? What is the duration? How many marks? Negative marking will be there or not? So if you click, it will just start generating. Here have the mock test. So mock test again, but here is the you can choose the multiple chapter. Earlier in chapter test, you can choose only one. Here you can choose the multiple chapter. Next is full test. Okay. So here is the full test is full syllabus. So and test automatically it will include at least minimum five chapters. Then you have the daily quiz. So this is there will be no negative marking. So with the small questions it will generate. And this one is the mega test. So mega test again. This is my son's requirement. He asked. So you can choose all the subject. You can choose whatever chapter you need, and yes, and whatever questions, difficulty level, all those things. So based on that means cross subject, cross chapter, all those things. With that you can generate the test. So this is one amazing features. So and I was testing with all the different kind of test also. Okay, sorry, I came back. So let me go back again. It will take some time. Yeah. So yeah, you can see all these tests whatever previously have taken. So those things also will be there. And if you want to retake it, you just click on that. You go inside, and you can start it from again. So you don't need to configure it, and automatically you'll be able to start. Now let's see if I go back to dashboard. Okay. Then here is the your quick revision I showed, right? So study planner. Okay. So you can create your own study planner. Okay, then weekly whatever you have, so those means sorry, you cannot get it like based on your study, it will automatically create. So today whatever things you have to study, so based on your previous like whatever you have studied, based on that it will show you weekly. Here is the AI planner. Okay, so you can choose the when your exam start date, right? And what is your target, which board you are in, how many hours you want to. And here you can choose the standard, and if you click on here, then it will generate your all the study planner. So it will be here. See, if you go through, I think this will be very good for like those who are very serious student. Okay, so they can plan accordingly.
I think all the feature that you have built, right? It's literally massive, pretty much amazing, and much required feature for all of us. I mean, like those who are studying in like a CBSE, ICSC, sixth standard, maybe 10th standard, maybe 12th standard, and those who are like, as you have already shown that you are going to launch something for UPSC people, UPSC AI, right? Even for JEE,
Yes.
NEET, and other banking and government exams, you are going to launch it. But yeah, as we have already gone through a demo of each and every section. It looks pretty much promising to me, I believe, and pretty much required by all of us. Yeah, that's amazing. It's a massive like a product. So I just wanted to understand one thing. So what is your like a coding proficiency, and how much time did it take for you to build this entire system? So I'm just trying to understand from a tech perspective, and who is going to manage this system?
Okay, so as of now, okay, so building wise, yeah, I only have built so couple of sleepless night. You can
Okay.
understand, right? For working, like yeah, full time working people. So definitely, I have to finish my office work, and after that, I used to sit. So, like I used to start working on this like from 11 o'clock night, like till 2 3 o'clock, so every day. So in that way, and weekend, and apart from your class, I like the at least your two classes definitely I'll join. Okay, so apart from that, like nothing in weekend. So continuously I was sitting in this. Even my wife also, she will get bored sometimes. She'll say at least we'll go for 1 hour break. I said okay. So that is how I done in last 1 month, and with that, yes, I'm able to complete. But frankly speaking, Sudhanshu, the way you have like given us the knowledge, right? if we sit for 2 weeks, I means continuously, that will be more than enough to build this kind of system. And
Now even
I'm
faster, I believe, right? The way, recently Cloudday has launched a model. The way cursor agents are behaving as of now, right? But
right.
the Codex is behaving. So I believe, and this is what I keep on saying even inside my class. So now you don't want an expertise into a front end, back end, or maybe a databases. What you need is a builder's mindset, and obviously how to build things. So maybe if you have already seen a couple of products, if you have built maybe something small, you can bring anything to a next level, and anyone and everyone can become a builder now. Building a project is not a big deal, I believe. Like you have already proven that, right? And I can see the kind of a work that you have done. It's literally amazing. And yeah, it's a very useful product. I think worlds need such kind of a product. And I believe it should reach out to as many people as possible. So coming to that part, what is your pricing strategy over here? So how you have bundled up like all these things in terms of pricing?
Yeah, let me take you through that. Okay, so yeah, so we have free, like it's five tokens. So like one chapter, like free, one practice session, one AI chat, one audio they can listen. So it will take five tokens, and after that, like including GST, we are charging 1,180 rupees for a month. Okay, so where is the 18% GST included? For 6 months, we are charging 5,300, and for 12 months is 9,400, which is monthly is coming around 776. And apart from that, definitely, if we get some referral, so there will be in the like while they renewing their subscription. So again, there will be some good discounts also will offer. So that is
Okay.
my founder as well.
Yeah, that's like a pretty much like an amazing affordable price I can see. I mean, like it's not because the kind of a system that you have built, and obviously behind this system, so server cost, LLM cost, all these things comes into picture, right? Keeping
Right.
that in a mind, and kind of a massive product layer that you have for almost all the problem that people faces during their study, or even while preparing for the exam, taking a notes, or maybe doing some sort of a self test preparation. I believe, yeah, this price is pretty much justified on a monthly label, and it's super affordable. I can see. Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Yeah, that's what my founder motto. Like we cannot go higher price because it should be affordable education, right? So that's the reason.
That's pretty much good. Okay, so like, how you're planning to make these things available to a massive audience? What is your plan on that part? Building things is
So
one, right? But yeah, I know after building things the real part comes into picture, which is a distribution,
correct.
right? Yeah, so what is your plan on that part? So from a entrepreneur mindset, now I'm just trying to understand.
Okay, so as of now, frankly speaking, Sudhanshu, the plan is on Facebook, LinkedIn, and definitely you're you're on WhatsApp, right? So
Hmm,
you
hmm,
have massive population, right? So definitely, I know that is going to help us. Okay,
hmm,
because
hmm,
we have very bigger community, right?
hmm,
And day by
hmm,
day it's growing, expanding,
hmm,
and
hmm,
yes, and and even I have planned to approach some institution and schools. Okay, so that is also I have planned. So and getting the email ID, fetching email ID, it's not big thing for us, right? So yeah, so those email ID we can fetch and we'll send it and might will do the follow up. So that
hmm.
way might will.
So I just want to mention over here that those who are watching Abhijit, right, and those who are going to watch, and obviously Abhijit is part of many of our group as well. So please try to support Abhijit as your fellow entrepreneur, so that even in future, if you are going to launch something, obviously Abhijit will be able to support you, and that's the reason. So we are trying to build a very strong community, so that if product is good, I'm not saying that if product is bad then you should support. No, if it is good, if it is genuine, if motto is clear behind the product, if something is very affordable, and if it is going to help many people out there, many kids out there, many childrens out there in terms of building, in terms of learning. I believe we all should support as much as you can. So I believe, guys, and I'm expecting that you are going to give a very big shout out to Abhijit over a social media platform, over a LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So yes, please do it, guys. I think, and again, so if you're doing it today for someone, obviously the entire world, entire universe is going to do the same thing for you tomorrow if you are going to launch something on your own. So yeah, that's pretty much amazing. So any final thoughts, Abhijit, that you would like to mention? I believe your product is amazing, right? It's literally amazing. It's pretty much like required in our world. My simple suggestion is that try to work on a distribution, because that's the hardest part, right? And I believe now you will start getting into it, right? So maybe I'll give you a couple of advice. So maybe you can go and you can pick a couple of like a social media influencer over Instagram and Facebook, and then ask them to promote it, right? So obviously they will do it, it will not cost you much. Then you can go, same goes with the YouTube, LinkedIn and Twitter, right? And then maybe you can run some sort of a paid ads over Instagram and Facebook. I believe that is going to give you a lot of benefit. LinkedIn is not going to give you much of benefit for this product, because mostly a professional people are out there, right? But Instagram and Facebook, it's a mix of kids as well as parents who keep, and everyone is, I believe everyone is using like a Instagram and Facebook. So I believe you should run some sort of a Insta ad with the minimum budget, I believe. And yeah, this can reach out to many people, I believe. And whatsoever way we can help you out, so obviously we'll be there for you. So
Yes, right,
yeah.
correct.
So
Definitely.
any final thought, in any conclusive thought from your side?
Okay, from my end, so yeah, Sudhanshu, the main thing is the way you are teaching us, right? So, yes, so definitely that is going to help us. Okay, so uh, definitely that will be biggest thing, I believe. And definitely I'll not this thing, if my subscription will get over, I think in the month of April, August, again we will renew that, because the way you are giving the knowledge and the new technology whatever is coming, right? So those things are giving a lot of motivation, and in AI world what is happening. So and you are doing wonderful job. Okay,
Thank you.
so so
Thank you so much. Thanks.
and thanks to you, with your guidance only we are able to bring all this kind of different product. Okay, so yes, so looking same kind of support in future as well.
Always. I'm there for all of you. Yeah. So fine with that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Abhijit, for this wonderful demo. I'm hoping that you will be able to get a lot of success. Obviously, you have to go a long way, but yes, I believe with consistency and with, I believe, patience, because uh, entrepreneurship somewhere require a lot of patience. I would say it's a patience game. It's not about who have started when what has been started, but yeah, it's all about how long you are able to stand in that with that particular things, and how soon you must be able to learn from your mistakes, how soon you are able to iterate things, and then again align your product with a market. And I believe if you have that kind of a mindset, you will be able to, and all of us can get some amount of success. Again, that depends, and obviously that will be proven with the time. But yeah, so thank you so much for this demo, and thank you so much everyone for watching this. And like I said, please give a big shout out to Abhijit. Please help him out in terms of reaching to his respective audience as soon as possible. He's having a free tier plan as well, so maybe you guys can go, you guys can try to do experimentation. Link is already available in a description. So with that, thank you so much everyone for watching this. We'll try to bring more and more such kind of demo to all of you. So with that, thank you so much. Thanks, Abhijit.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Yeah.